Welcome back to another how-to video for SENTRO X. In this video, we'll be running you through how to complete a zero test. To initiate the zero test, press and hold the middle button of the main unit for maintenance, then zero test. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform a test. Using the SENTRO X test gas hood, apply test gas to the gas inlet grill. The zero test is used to check the zero offset of the gas cell. The zero value, which is the value that SENTRO X reports at zero target gas, can drift by small amounts over time. This is a property of all gas cell technologies. When necessary, use the adjust option and press next to complete. You've now completed a zero test for SENTRO X and can continue monitoring for gas. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll run you through completing a span test. Go to youtube.com/@TrollXUK for more videos now.